since we are talking about the Oscars and movies, have you seen the movie Can You Ever Forgive Me? It's with Melissa McCarthy. Have you guys seen that movie?
No,
Not yet.
Have they forgiven her?
Well, here's the deal. She's up for an Oscar for that movie, and her co-star Richard E. Grant just got an Oscar nomination as well for his role as Best Supporting Actor. But he scored something almost as cool as that. He got a shout-out from Barbra Streisand. Now, here's the deal. Richard wrote Barbara a fan letter when he was 14 years old. He shared that letter on Twitter. Babs saw the letter and then tweeted this response. This is so cool. Dear Richard, what a wonderful letter you wrote me when you were 14. And look at you now. You're terrific in your latest movie with Melissa. Congratulations and love, Barbara.
Wow.
Okay, so Barbara does that. Richard then tweets back, I cannot begin to properly express what your generous reply has meant to me. Thank you. He also shared a photo of himself overcome with emotion as his daughter read him Barbara's tweet.
Wait the hell.
How did she remember from that long ago?
Well, he tweeted the letter.
See, here's the thing. He never did send the letter. He never sent the letter. He still has a letter to tweet it. So he basically has it written down. He's like, letters to Barbra Streisand. He got too embarrassed to send it to her, kept it all these years, and now she's posted it for the world. Or he posted it, right?
He concoct that letter, honey, just yesterday.
And say he wrote it when he was 14.
Oh, my God. See, I wrote Oprah a letter when I was 12 years old.
Is it dated and notarized?
In a box. I wrote her a letter. It took 6 months, Brett, and Oprah Winfrey wrote me back. This is when she was on TV in Chicago. And the first line of that letter, God, I was 12 years old or whatever at the time, and it said, Dear...
Here's my address.
It said, Dear Heidi, always remember no obstacles are insurmountable.
Yeah, I got the same return letter. That's the one they send to all the fans.
That's why I asked.
You did not. Did you really?
I'm sorry.
It comes with a subscription to old magazine.
I'm not messing around now, Brad, right now.
Too. Did you get your mug with it?
I may have.
It was written on the inside of a pizza box.
I thought.
No matter how large, it's not insurmountable.